Back here again. Oh, look who's in. Do not lose it, it's the first one of the session.
He's fighting well.
Yeah, you watch mine go off now. So it's 1-0 to Daddy. Yeah, Warren, this is what carp looks like.
Oh look, there it is. Alright, nice fish, Bill. Oh, he dove straight to the net.
What's in there?
Billy's caught what he wants to catch, and Daddy's caught what he wants to catch.
Billy likes the carp.
Yeah, Billy likes the carp. I think
Right, let's go again, mate. Are you ready?
Yeah. That's it. Push it away, Bill. And you wish you had 4-foot arms, do you? Give a kiss.
He's made a booper. Straight into that tree. Oh, morning. Had fuck all last night. The old man, I heard him have a run about 3 o'clock this morning. And I thought, fuck that, I ain't getting out to help, it's too cold. But yeah, had nothing last night. Rods are still out. I'll get up, have a cup rosy now. Yeah, but yeah, let's have a look what's out there like that. Nice misty morning. The old man's pulled his rods in because he obviously had a couple of runs and he couldn't be bothered to get back out. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get a cup of tea on the go. Catch up with you in a bit. Just check the point of your hook though. Bait's alright.
Yeah, it's a bit nibble,
In the tree? only put his rods out fucking 10 minutes ago. He's in already, look. Jammy. So where's that fish, Dad? Where's that fish gone?
What fish?
That one you just had on a rod.
He fucked off.
I don't know how well it's hooked though, because I didn't strike into that properly.
Well, don't let him get away. That would piss us off this morning. Two on, 2 gone. Billy said he weren't gutted. I'm gutted.
No, I ain't got it in yet.
It don't matter. They ain't coming off now.
Dad, people have been playing them 20 minutes before and they've come off. There's a geezer.
There's a
I've been
gator.
watching a lot of videos of a geezer called Kevin Ellis. And he fucking went to France and he was playing a fish. Like literally all week he hadn't caught a fish. He's playing a fish. He's playing it for 20 minutes. Got it just about to land a can. Oh, sorry. Just about to land it and fucking come off. It's fighting though. I ain't seen it yet. Cool. That's either a very small cat or a fucking big carp.
Yeah, this thing had a sound on it, didn't it? There's a cat.
Little cat, tiny. Well, that was only a really small one. Probably about a £10 cat. Thought it was a carp at first, but yeah. Hopefully there's more. Well, at least we ain't blanking this session, eh? The old man's just getting his last rod out. The old man's had this while I was down at the car. Just about get hold of it, can't I? He's right over there. Where do you want me to bring the net to you?
Down at the bank, are you?
You in, Dad? Huh? Look at that, look, what a sexy man you are. Only a little one, that, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, only a small little cat. About £15. Anyway, well done, Dad. Morning, people. Oh, fuck all again. I've got to stop swearing on these videos. Kids watch these. I had a couple of little knocks this morning. So I pulled one of my rods in. And then put it back out and see a couple of little knocks in it. But apart from that, I'm not getting nothing, no action at all. I'm thinking about moving today. All the old branches falling off the trees going across my lines. I keep getting what I'm thinking is liners, but it's not, it's the bloody branches. So yeah, I think I might move into the swim that's next to my dad, the other side of him. A little bit more water to fish. Yeah, apart from that. The old man's pulled his rods in again. He had a couple last night. So, but I'm tired, I'm hungry. I'm fucking warm though, this sleeping bag's bollocks. But anyway, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Oh yeah guys, just to let you know, Warren's fishing another lake somewhere else obviously. Yeah, he had a couple, he's had 4 out now since yesterday. Biggest one was 65. So well done to him. He's ended his blank after fucking about a year. And mine's still going at the moment. I ain't had nothing since yesterday morning. Oh well. Yeah, I'll put some pictures up of Warren's fish and a couple of videos that he sent me. I'll put them up on this video as well for you guys to have a look. Obviously I'm not catching fuck all, so you might as well have a look at his fish.
And we're in just like that. Oh, fuck it. Fuck's sake. Come. That's fishing. Rudely awakened by this little fucker. Another little kitten. I'm not going to bother setting the tripod up, guys. But Beavers has got some monsters in there yet to come out. But I'm very hopeful. Fucking yes! Done my PB. Woo. Now this boys is a monster. Oh, shit, I ain't got a bucket of water. Yes. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, let's get him back. Blank over.
Yep, I think I'm definitely moving swims this afternoon. Told him to put one out there, and look what's happened. Wanker. I feel like Warren when we had that summer showdown. Yeah, look, he's trying to, because it's gone around the back of that island around there, so he's trying to bring it back round. Hey, get out of my swim. Finally got one. Happy days we came. We got what we came for, mate. We got what we came for. Nice little carp in there. That's a nice size bill, fucking hell. I might weigh that one. Take it that way. Just had a £21 carp, didn't I, Dad? But my mate rang me just as I was about to take the video.
What
So,
fish?
well, I've got half a video to prove it, but I didn't actually get it up in the air before I released it.
Finally.
well, that was most welcome. Obviously I missed that run about an hour ago. Yeah, just stuck Netflix on, and yeah, same rod went off again. So they're obviously over in that area. Just as I lost my one earlier in the morning, I think Warren had one. He messaged me or sent me a video. So check out his video. So I'm going to put a video up with beavers for Warren after this video goes out. Yeah, so happy days. Yeah, just had this little baby out. 2 nights left. It's gone totally dead today. The bloke opposite me, he's moved. Tell you what, mate, it's fucking ruined the week, really. These fucking birds keep. Look, you can hear them all out there. Fucking things. Next time we'll get Warren to bring his shotgun. Yep, gonna just pull the rods in. Gonna go and see Ant for the last time before I get me rods back out for the last night. The old man's going in a bit. Behind me somewhere, there he is. Yeah, we went to see Ant earlier. He's had a bream out, so I know bream, we don't count bream, but for someone that's just getting into fishing, well done to him. My old man's come back. He thought, right, he's got an hour to get his rods out. Put his rods out, and he's only gone and fucking got one, didn't he? But it was only about £15, so we put it straight back. But he foul hooked it, so we're not going to count it. He is, but we're not. Yeah, he's packing up now. He's about to go home. I'm going to stay here for another 24 hours. See if I can get one out. If not, I'll be going back home, empty-handed. Water's dead calm. Sun's out. The old man's gone home no more. No, he's not there no more. Oh, yeah, just missed the run. Well, I struck into it, felt it for about a couple of seconds. It come off. Obviously I had a carp rig on that one. Must have been a cat. Yeah, last year we done really well on 15mm quill boilies, so I just thought I'd stick a couple of them on. Obviously done the trick, so I'll put some more on. 2 seconds. Where's my wallet? Yes, 2 seconds, Josh. Let me find my wallet, mate. Where's there it is? Oh. Thanks, mate. See you later, mate. Well, people, we've got the food. Curtis of Hell's Caff. Oh shit. A couple of Pepsis. Well, I'm going to eat this. Hopefully we get another run. If we do, back on the camera. Only a little one. Come on, table. Table. Just to let you know, I did use carb care on that before it went back, because I know what Warren's like, he'll give me some jip about that. So, but that's what happens when he goes for a cat rig. So, greedy fucker. Didn't think it'd go for the size of the boat I had on, to be honest. Well, they're starting to feed a little bit now, so I just had a run, missed it. The guy in the swim next to me, he's got one on at the moment. So, fingers crossed, they're starting to feed. I think I've just got the smallest cat in the world. Well, it's the last night, and got my solid bag out, got my cart rod. I'm leaving my 2 cat rods out for the next hour or so, and I might get the bait boat out to put them back out. So obviously there's a load of hanging trees where they are. If you have a look, I've got one just underneath that tree there, just about, look where that ripple was there, that's where I've got one. And then I've got another one about 3 foot off of them reeds there. So time will tell, hopefully. You never know, hopefully. It's a cat. Well, it's all happening tonight. I don't know what it is with these carp going for the cat rigs. So I've got another one on a cat rig. Let's get it out and you can have a look. Yep. Another small one. Yep, another one. Right. Well, that was fish number 7 since Dad's gone home. Happy days, mate. Happy days. It was worth staying there extra 24 then. Morning, people. I had another 2 out, so Made it 10 in total. 10 in total since the old man left. Busy night. I've got about half hour to get scooted up, packed up, pull the rods in. Well, Josh said he'll pin me up about 9:30. But I just want to get off here as early as possible. Really, I've had enough now. So I'm gonna get my set of pets and my coat on, and then I'm gonna quickly try and get all this put away as quickly as possible. And yeah, so